Hey guys, this is Corey with Custom RV in Amarillo, Texas. And today we're going to take a look at one of the most popular units in the SunRay line from Sunset Park RV. This is the 2022 SunRay 129. This particular trailer comes in at 1,840 pounds unloaded, and it's going to be about 15.5 or 16 foot in overall length. Now this is what I call a box drop, meaning it's super lightweight. It's very easy to tow by just about any small SUV out on the market today. There are some that can't tow it, but the very nice thing about them is they're super lightweight. You can get them into places that some of these big campers can't get into. And this one's going to feature a full outside kitchen with a 12-volt compressor fridge, 200 watts of solar, the manual awning, cargo rack up on top to put some bikes or kayaks, things of that sort. It also has a actual RV style toilet for emergency use if you do need to use the facilities. It's got an outside shower, power tongue jack, and all kinds of other great features and amenities. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on to the inside. All right, guys, so we're on the inside of this 2022 SunRay 129. And as you can see here, you have a very nice U-shaped dinette here. Now, I've got this set up in daytime mode today. I'll show you here in just a minute what it looks like when you fold it down for at night. But starting over here, you've got your emergency egress window right there. This little black box right there, that is your thermostat for your furnace. And speaking of your furnace, you do have that right here. Ironically, it's right next to the compartment that the toilet is in, which to me is kind of funny, but that's where they put it. If we step onto the inside here, you can see you've got your 5,000 BTU window unit, which for this size of camper, it's more than enough. Now, one particular option that we like to put in on these is the bigger max air vent fan that can operate to bring cool air in or exhaust heat, which is really cool. Not every manufacturer uses this type of fan when you go to the bigger one. So I really do like that. Now we're looking at this in the Knotty Pine interior today, so it is the lighter of the two. You can also get this in the ash, which is more of a darker wood for your cabinets, and then your wall panel changes to a kind of a white color. This is my preferred interior. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Do you prefer this, which is more of a rustic log cabin-y feel, or do you want the kind of modern dark look? Now, if we open up these cabinets, you can see you've got a ton of storage back in there. Normally I try to break this down, but this is such a small trailer that it is a lot easier just to do this live on camera. But you've got great storage back in there, and you can see those bunk mats there. And if we see if I can not fall doing this. If we take a look at the video that will pop up, you can see that this also can turn down into a small bunk for a smaller kid. Now, this is rated at 150 pounds. So that is good for small kids. You do not want to put an adult up there. You know, you could if you're a smaller person, but again, it's only rated at 150 pounds. So keep that in mind. Personally, most people are going to use this for extra storage, I think anyway. Now, right back over here, you're going to have your solar charge controller for the 200 watt solar package that we have equipped this particular one with. And if we take a look at the video that will pop up here, you can see what this looks like when you put it down into a bed. Also, you can see what the toilet looks like when we get the cushions out of the way for that. So most people are going to use that toilet for emergency use, like in the middle of the night. It's not something you're going to use on a day-to-day basis, but at least it's there, which is, you know, always a good thing. Over here, you've got a small little sink, little bit of storage and plumbing access underneath there. Now, this sink does not drain into a holding tank. It does drain onto the ground. In here, and this is kind of a newer thing they've started to do, is they added a shelf here. Now, I really do like that. It just doubles the storage space here. There is an optional fireplace you can get in this model and the 139 as well. You're also going to have your microwave oven right in here. AM, FM, Bluetooth stereo system that'll control the interior and exterior speakers. And then you've got your tank monitoring panel, as well as your interior and exterior lighting controls and water pump and water heater controls. Fire extinguisher down there. You've also got a little bit of extra storage right down here. And then up here on this countertop. Now, one of the things, I'd like to see this as a thermal foil countertop instead of a T-mold. That's just my opinion. But right here, you've got cable and power if you did want to add a small TV. But it is right there, easy to get to. And then lastly, for the interior portion, you've got a huge chunk of storage back underneath this side of the dinette, which is very nice. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the interior of the 2022 SunRay 129 from Sunset Park RV. Let's go ahead now and we will take a look at the outside features. Okay, guys, so we're on the outside of the Sunset Park SunRay Model 129. So starting up front here, you've got a power tongue jack. That is an available option that we like to bring these in with. There will be a propane tank here. We just don't have it mounted currently. You can see this really neat deck right here for a generator or things of that sort. Spare tire carrier down there. You've also got your battery that comes from the manufacturer when you do the 200 watt solar kit. You've also got a battery disconnect there as well. Now, as we come on to this side, you can see that you've got 4 corner stabilizer jacks. Those are going to be manual. Single entrance step. There is a MORryde step above step as an available option. You can also see you've got the manual box awning, and this is going to have the rear or the roof rack with a 500-pound capacity. Fully walkable roof up there. You've got 2 100-watt solar panels up there as well. As we come over here, you've got 2 exterior speakers, 110-volt electrical outlet. Now, this one is in the sport package, meaning it's got a 6-inch axle lift. And we're looking at it today in white with black accents. There's a whole bunch of different colors that you can get on these. And if you're interested in what colors are available, feel free to leave a comment down below or send us an email or give us a call. Our contact information will be in the description as well. Now, down here, you've got a propane quick connect where you can hook up an exterior gas grill. Now, I'm going to make this work. Bear with me if my camera work gets really bad, but we are kind of close to this other trailer, so I am going to make this work. But you do have an outside kitchen here. So you can see you've got a small sink with a high-rise faucet. 2-burner stove. Again, I wish they would do the thermofoil countertops out here. You're going to have a small little cubbyhole storage space right there, or cabinet storage. GFI protected outlet. Light and refrigerator control here. You're also going to have a good cabinetry space up here. These are all strut supported hinges and are pocket screwed cabinets. And then over here, you are going to have the 4.3 cubic foot 12-volt compressor fridge from Everchill. Let's see. Again, pardon my terrible camera work. Okay, it opens that way. Again, pardon my terrible camera work. But you can see here, you've got a decent fridge space there. With, unfortunately, I can't open that one, but a decent freezer compartment as well. You've also got a little storage compartment here, perfect for some camp chairs and things of that sort. Backup camera prep, and you can see that roof rack up there. On this side, here is going to be your 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. That does have the DSI spark ignition. You've got your freshwater and city water connections, cable and satellite hookups. This will be your electric cord, so it is a 30 amp service with that is a hardwired cord. You can also see that you've got your black tank dump for the toilet there. Furnace exhaust, again, 4 corner stabilizer jacks. This little guy right there, that is the dump for the sink. So the sink just drains out into a bucket or on the ground. And then lastly, you've got your outside shower with hot and cold water. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the 2022 SunRay Model 129. If you're interested in this small compact travel trailer and you would like pricing and availability, I'll post a link down in the video description where you can check that at any time. You can also give us a call at 806-335-2336, or you can shoot us an email at contact@custom-rv.com. Remember, at Custom RV, we don't do any hidden dealer fees. We leave those up to the big box dealers, and we know that RVs are made for women, so men can go camping. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button for me down below. I would greatly appreciate that. Leave us a comment and let us know how we did. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to hit that subscribe and notification bell down below. That keeps you up to date with all of our new content we have coming out for you. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. We thank you very much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed and found this video informative. And we hope to hear from you soon or see you out on our lot. And have a wonderful rest of your day.